Luigi. This is from Haribo and it's called Zombie. As you'd expect from Haribo, works a treat, smooth ass either way. And we're going to try and pick it in hand. We're using a pick made for me by Wespicks, carbon fibre, weird and wonderful shape, and it was one of the very first picks I ever traded for. Click on one, click on two, movement on three, loss of false sense on 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 5. Okay, well, you're going to do it the lockpicking lawyer way then. And we are open. Finally, on video. I know this is less than 2.5 minutes, 2:45, something like that. That doesn't include the 18 minutes of outtakes that it's taken to open this, where I've got so far and I've dropped it. Unfortunately, with that C-clip, I can't get it off, or not yet, I can't. Thank you very much for watching. Haribo, thank you very much for a very fun lock. See you next time.